Well, first they could take seeds and put them in a planter with some soil and water it every day.
First, if they didn't have that much room, I think that they would just go get seeds and they would have to make of what they had. Maybe making it inside of something so it only has a certain amount of room, like gardening in a pot.
I like to grow strawberries and other type of berries, but we also have some types of lettuce to grow.
You could grow a smaller version of a lemon tree in your house.
We grow tomatoes.
You could grow a Brussels sprout plant, I guess.
Good afternoon, kids, young ones, adults. My name is Haylene Green, the Garden Queen. I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I was born in Port Antonia, Portland, Jamaica, in the West Indies. Welcome to my farm, the West End Community Urban Garden and Nursery, right in the heart of Atlanta, largest container garden in Atlanta. You can grow everything in containers. I grew things in pots while I was in Jamaica. I came to New York and I grew things in pots. It is easy to grow in pots. Purple cauliflower. Look at the cauliflower. And let me surprise you. We are going to reap a beetroot from the garden. This is a beetroot. We're gonna make juice from it straight from the garden. My favorite thing to grow is hibiscus sorrel and ginger. We're going to go on a tour first of my hibiscus garden, my favorite and specialty, hibiscus sorrel and ginger tea. Let's go. We are going to show you a baby hibiscus plant. So the plants need healthy soil. Healthy seeds grows healthy plants, healthy food for healthy you. We need to have the sun as it's nice and bright today. And then we need to water the plants. I have 300 pots of hibiscus. You need a lot of hibiscus to make tea. Come. These are my butterflies. They know me. So my little ones, I look forward to you coming to the garden to have a tour. You can help Mama Haylene plant these hibiscus seeds in the soil, and I will give you a taste of the tea, sweet tea. Hope to see you real soon.